Class 9th, Subject English, Lesson 3.1 Coromandel Fishers English Workshop. Question 1. Answer the following questions. A. How many stanzas are there in the poem? Answer. There are 3 stanzas in the poem. B. How many lines are there in the poem? Answer. There are 12 lines in the poem. C. List the rhyming words in each stanzas. Answer. First stanza. Light, night. Free, sea. Second stanza. Call, all. Drives, lives. Third stanza. Grow, love. Glee, sea. Question 2. You know that many poems have rhyming words or rhyme at the end of the line in its stanzas. The pattern of rhyming is usually shown with the help of small letters such as A, B, C, etc. This pattern of rhymes is known as the rhyme scheme. The rhyme scheme of each stanza in this poem is AABB. Verify. Answer. Touch the I button. Question 3. What do the following expression refer to? Write in a word or phrase. A. Lapping wealth of the tide. Fish. B. Kings of sea. Fisherman. C. At the fall of the sun. Sunset. D. The edge of the wedge. Horizon. Question 4. Match the following. Answer. A. 4. B. 5. C. 3. D. 1. E. 2. Question 5. Find and write the lines in the poem that refer to. A. Early morning. Answer. Rise, brother, rise. The waking skies praise to the morning light. B. Evening. Answer. What thought we toss at the fall of the sun, where the head of the sea god drives. C. Full moon light. Answer. And sweet are the sands at the full O. Moon with the sound of the voice we love. Question 6. Write the lines that show that the fishermen are not afraid of the sea or of drowning. Answer. He who holds the storm by the hair will hide in his breast our lives. Question 7. In the last stanza, 2 lines refer to a landscape and 2 lines refer to a seascape. Which are they? Copy them from the poem correctly. Answer. Landscape. Sweet is the shade of the coconut glade and the scent of the mango grove. Seascape. But sweeter, O brothers, the kiss of the spray and the dance of the wild forms glee. And sweet are the sands at the full O, the moon with the sound of the voice we love. Raw, brothers, raw to the edge of the verge, where the low sky meets with the sea. Write question 8 and question 9 according to your opinion. Appreciation of poem. Title: Coromandel Fishers. 2. Poet, poetess. This poem is written by Sarojini Naidu. 3. Theme or central idea. The theme of the poem is that when human beings come together for a common purpose, no force or adversary can block their way. There could be risk in any challenging enterprise, but human progress depends on facing them courageously. 4. Rhyme scheme. The rhyme scheme of the poem is AABB. 5. Figure of speech. Simile, metaphor. 6. Special features. This is a didactic poem. A didactic poem is an instructive one. It is aimed at imparting certain advice or some moral principles. When we come together for a common purpose and put our faith in God, we can accomplish great things. This is the moral principle of this poem. 7. Favorite lines. My favorite lines from the poem are: 1. He who holds the storm by the hair will hide in his breast our lives. 2. But sweeter, O brothers, the kiss of the spray and the dance of the wild forms glee. 8. Why I like the poem. I like this poem because it imparts a very positive message. It says that if we trust in God and do our work promptly, success is ours.